Hey everyone, now we're moving on to question 7 in the 2019 IFICLS MA Test B. The question says, a trough is half filled with water. A trough half filled with water is suspended from wires as shown. The tension is initially the same in each wire. A boat is placed in the trough directly under the left wire. It floats without touching the sides of the trough or overflowing the water. How does the tension in the wires change as a result? So this question is actually a really conceptual question, and it's a pretty good test of your fluid mechanics skills. So the question is basically saying that you place something in here, and then obviously there's weight going down onto it. Okay, so it floats without touching the sides of the trough or overflowing the water, so it's just chilling right here. How does the tensions in the wires change as a result? Now, our first instinct is to think, well, since it's right underneath of this wire, shouldn't the tension in this wire increase more than the tension in this wire? And the actual correct answer, though, however, is you have to consider the pressures. Okay, so if we consider the pressure at a water level, it's never going to be different. If it's at a certain height from the surface of the water, all the pressure will be constant. Okay, so the pressure is always constant at a certain height. You can basically imagine that the boat is being placed down here, and then the force of gravity that it's causing, the pressure that it's causing on the water, is being evenly distributed in the water, okay, at all points. And if you can think the reason why is because if we consider this place to be of a higher pressure than of this place right here, then the water would just flow from the higher pressure to the lower pressure area, and then the pressure will equilibrate. So it's impossible for it to have different pressures. Sorry, I meant to draw. If the pressure right here is different from the pressure right here, then the water will just flow in this direction and equilibrate the pressures. So what this means is that at this height also, okay, the pressure is the same. So that means that the weight added here is adding the same amount of weight evenly distributed along the entire bottom of this container. Thus, the two wires, the tension increases the same.